Eating grapes with curd, yogurt, is generally safe in modern science, but it is considered an incompatible food combination in Ayurveda that can cause digestive issues for some people. Is it dangerous or healthy? Whether this mix is bad depends on which health perspective you follow. Modern science, this is a healthy snack. Mixing fruit and yogurt can provide a symbiotic effect, where the prebiotics in the fruit help the probiotics in the yogurt work better. Ayurveda, it is categorized as Viruddha Ahara, incompatible food. Because grapes are light and quick to digest while curd is heavy and slow, eating them together may cause the fruit to ferment in the stomach. Potential side effects for sensitive individuals: this combination might lead to digestive distress, bloating, gas, and stomach discomfort due to differing digestion speeds. Acidity and mucus. Sour grapes mixed with acidic curd can increase the acid load in your stomach and promote mucus overproduction. Skin issues. In the long term, Ayurvedic practitioners believe this toxic combination could trigger skin problems like rashes or allergies. Can it cause fever or sickness? Fever. There is no direct scientific evidence that this combination causes fever. Colds or cough. If you are already sick, both grapes and curd can potentially worsen a cough or cold by increasing phlegm or mucus formation. Sick ear diarrhea. If grapes are eaten with milk rather than curd, the acids in the fruit can curdle the milk protein, leading to gastrointestinal pain and diarrhea. Instagram +4 tip. If you have a sensitive stomach, try eating grapes and curd separately, at least 30 minutes apart, to avoid any potential digestive clash. Based on Ayurvedic principles and nutritional guidelines regarding curd consumption, the curd first, eat after 2 or 30 minutes approach generally aligns with promoting better digestion and avoiding incompatible food combinations. The rule explained curd first or alone, as a meal or mid-meal. Consuming homemade curd as a standalone meal or in the mid-afternoon, 3 to 4 p.m., is recommended to improve gut health, acting as a probiotic and reducing bloating. Waiting period. 2 to 3 hours, 30 minutes. Ayurveda suggests separating curd from fruits, especially acidic citrus grapes, because they have different digestive rates and properties. Grapes, fruit, should be eaten 20 to 30 minutes before a meal or 2 to 3 hours after. Wait after curd. Specifically, if combining heavy foods, it is advised to wait at least 2 hours after eating curd. The raisin grape exception. While fresh sour grapes are generally avoided with curd, setting curd with raisins, dry grapes, is recommended for improved digestion and gut health. Key takeaways: avoid pairing. Do not mix curd directly with fresh, acidic grapes, as this can lead to stomach fermentation, bloating, and indigestion. Time it right. Consume curd during the day, preferably as a mid-meal, rather than at night. Best alternative. Set your curd with 4 to 5 black raisins to promote good bacteria without causing indigestion. Education and health are fundamental, interconnected pillars that empower individuals to learn, grow, and thrive. Quality education fosters critical thinking and career opportunities, while health literacy enables informed decisions on nutrition and disease prevention. Together, they build a sustainable future, requiring proactive care and access to knowledge. How education and health work together.